Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to share your screen in Microsoft Teams meetings. Firstly, download the Microsoft Teams app on your mobile phone. Open the Microsoft Teams app on your phone. Go to its chat by tapping on the chat icon shown at the bottom of the screen. It will open your inbox of Microsoft Teams. Tap on Meet, shown on the upper area of the screen. It'll ask you whether you want to start meeting with meeting ID or meet now to start your meeting. Choose any of the options and start meeting to start meeting with any of your friends. You can also add participants to this meeting. Tap on the three dots shown here. Now choose the option Share from the provided options. Here, tap on Share Screen to share your screen. You can also share screens of videos and photos. As you can see, I am sharing a video screen. After you're done, you just have to stop sharing by tapping on the options shown. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.